Hey there, this is Christina with WTI, and I want to share with you these adorable ballet flats from Dream Pair. Now, I bought these for my daughter. They are in the color black, and they are size 8, and they do fit true to size. They fit her wonderfully. Now, some of the things I love about these ballet flats is, although they're not leather, they really have the look and feel of leather. They have adorable stitching along the outside here that make them just a lot more, feel more quality. Inside, they have a nice cushion, and so even though they are a ballet flat, they are still giving her some nice support. And here you can just see how adorable and cute they are. She loves to wear them. They're very feminine. They're very comfortable and age appropriate. So if you are in the market for a cute, adorable ballet flat, I definitely would recommend these. And that is my point of view.